Optimizing your YouTube videos. Optimizing your videos properly is essential. When you are first starting out, this is really important as you need to do everything that you can to ensure that your videos come up in a YouTube search. It will also increase your chances of your videos ranking high in Google as well. It all starts with keyword research. You need to find out what people are likely to enter into the search box in YouTube to find your videos. The best way to do this is through keyword research. You can do this for free using the Google Keyword Planner. You will need to create a free Google AdWords account to access this tool. Let's say that you are creating a video about traveling to Japan. When you are in the Google Keyword Planner, enter the seed keyword Japan travel and then see what other keyword suggestions Google has to offer. You can download these suggestions in a CSV file, which you can open with most spreadsheet applications, such as Microsoft Excel. Go through the list and choose the best keywords. Look at the estimated search volumes. You want to come up with a list of around 10 keywords for each video. Decide which keyword will be your main keyword. Maybe this could be travel to Japan. Create a compelling title around your main keyword. You need to come up with an appealing title so that when people see your video in the search results, they will want to watch it. So, for our Japan example, you could use something like travel to Japan for fun and excitement. Make sure that you include your main keyword in the title. Don't just leave the title as travel to Japan. This will not inspire that many people to watch your video. Use other words to create excitement. Another approach may be travel to Japan. You won't believe what happened to me. This creates curiosity. Try writing a number of different titles with your keyword in them. Go for 10 different titles and then choose the best one. If you can get the keyword in at the beginning of the title, then that is preferable, but it doesn't matter that much. So just go wild here with your ideas. Remember that the more enticing you make your title, the more views you will get. Write a keyword-rich description. Some people like to read the description of a video before they watch it, so make this compelling as well. We recommend that your description is at least 300 words long and contains your secondary keywords that you found earlier. Tell people what the video is about, but don't give everything away. You can always say something like, "You won't believe what happened at the end of this video," or "I have a big surprise for you at the end of the video." Just use techniques to hook the viewer and encourage them to watch all the way through. Don't go crazy with keywords in the description. If you can't fit them in naturally, then don't add them. Use the right tags for your video. Only use keywords and tags that are related to your video. If your video is about traveling to Japan, then don't add unrelated keywords in, such as how to speak Chinese. If someone is looking to learn Chinese and watches your video, they will be very unimpressed that there is nothing about learning Chinese in it. So choose about 5 related keywords, including your main keyword, and add these as tags. There is a 400-character limit on tags with YouTube at the time of writing. This doesn't mean that you have to use every last character. Be sure to speak your main keywords in the video. This one might surprise you. The thing is that technology has really advanced over the last few years, and YouTube can understand English and maybe other languages, so it will pick up on certain key phrases. Nobody knows just how accurate the YouTube system is for recognizing spoken keywords, but estimates suggest as high as 80%. This will continually improve, so it is really worth mentioning your main keyword and some secondary keywords in your video. Be sure to plan for this when creating your video script. Good video optimization doesn't take long. If you have spent a great deal of time creating a video script and a storyboard as we suggested, then it seems crazy not to spend a few minutes optimizing your videos so that they have the maximum chance of being found in a search. So use these video optimization tips every time. Don't skip the keyword research step, as this is the most important task. It will not take you long to uncover some good keywords. Even if you have a large following with your vlog, we would always recommend that you optimize each video.